For the last 4.5 billion years, our planet has had a reliable celestial companion, the Moon. Its orbit around the Earth has a profound effect on life here, from influencing the tides to stabilizing our seasons. But astronomers have now discovered another sidekick that may have been following our planet around for some time. Experts at the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Hawaii have spotted a quasi-moon called 2025 PN7 that has been tagging along after Earth since the 1960s. This cosmic body is actually an asteroid, they explained, and rather than orbit the Earth, it is orbiting the Sun on a similar trajectory to our planet. The astronomers made the discovery after analyzing orbital data from the asteroid, which is just 19 meters, 62 feet wide. They determined it has been in a quasi-orbit for around 60 years and would likely be nearby for another 60 years or so before departing. It joins the 6 other known quasi-moons in Earth-like orbits, but boasts the title of the smallest and the least stable. Scientists have been aware of quasi-satellites since 1991, when they first discovered 1991 VG, which some believed to be an alien probe at the time. Over 3 decades later, it is now widely accepted that such objects are natural and constitute a secondary asteroid belt that occupies the region in which the Earth-Moon system orbits around the Sun, the researchers wrote. Unlike our Moon, which can usually be seen with the naked eye, this quasi-moon is only visible through good telescopes. And although it may appear to be orbiting Earth, it is not gravitationally bound to our planet. While it may sound like this neighbor has been following Earth for quite some time, it's relatively short compared to another famous quasi-moon, Kamo'aliwa, which has an Earth-related orbit lasting around 381 years. Quasi-moons are part of a special category of space objects called Arjunas that move in sync with our planet's journey around the Sun. 2025 PN7 maintains a wide range of distances from Earth, anywhere between around 2.8 million miles, 4.5 million kilometers, and 37 million miles, 59 million kilometers. These quasi-moons in Earth-like orbits are full of surprises. Co-author Carlos de la Fuente Marcos from the Complutense University of Madrid told Live Science. This new quasi-moon is small, faint, and visibility windows from Earth are rather unfavorable. So it is not surprising that it went unnoticed for that long, he explained. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile, which recently became operational, can scan for other quasi-moons and may uncover many more. The latest discovery was recently published in research notes of the AAS. Alongside quasi-moons, the Earth is sometimes joined by mini-moons, objects that do orbit our planet but only temporarily. Only 4 have ever been discovered, and none are still orbiting Earth. Experts from the Planetary Society said, quasi-moons and mini-moons are pieces of our neighborhood in space, and they carry information about where they come from. They might originate in the main asteroid belt, from impacts on the Moon, or from the breakup of larger objects on similar orbits. Scientists don't know for sure. Answering that question and finding out what these almost moons are made of can help researchers learn more about asteroids and how they threaten Earth. If you found this cosmic discovery fascinating, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing astronomical revelations.